How to Draw Cartoons with John-Marc. Hey, it's John-Marc and welcome to today's lesson. We're going to be doing a fun character. We're going to be doing super TP, that is super toilet paper. I thought it'd be a fun little thing to do in regards to what's currently going on. Everyone's needing toilet paper, so why not? Anyway, so let's begin the lesson. As you see, I'm beginning to build the element. I have the actual structure, and now I have his little feet coming down there. I have the crosshairs for his face all set in place. This is just a simple sketch, being very creative as always. Feel free to anytime to change the expression or the type of eyes or feet or hands. This is just a preliminary to give you an idea of a project that you can do yourself. You don't have to copy, but you can copy if you like. All right, so I'm going to give three-dimensional on the top there, so I'm going to curve that a little, give like an oval, and that's like the little center part of the toilet paper right there. All right, got his eyes there. Let's get two eyebrows going up and down. You can change the expressions, and you may want to have this just as the toilet paper as itself, that you can make changes with the faces. You can make like little copies or re-render it. All right, so I'm making that big smiley face, mouth wide open. All right, as I always do, have my tongue there. There you go. Let's get that little darker there. All right, and if you go to the very end of the video, you'll actually see me re-rendering this again a little bit tighter. I bring it back into Photoshop, change the layer to opacity a lot lighter, and then re-render it all over again. This is just a cleanup version that I would have done at the very end. So this is just a quick sketch. There's his mouth, his tongue, and his lower lip. All right, now so let's just go with the hand. And again, these are just very simple. I made them very, very, very simple hands that anybody can do. And if you want to be a little bit longer or shorter or smaller, again, feel free to use your creativity and execute what you would like to draw on there. Even though what I'm drawing here doesn't mean you have to copy. That's my point. I really want to emphasize on all my video lessons. I hope you guys are having a good day so far. All right. And let's just get a little bit the other hand higher and lower. All right, there's a little thumb. Get the three fingers. Hey, I just like the three fingers. They're nice and fat and chunky. Sometimes some people actually have all five fingers, which is okay. Feel free. And I have this hand just like in the front, like he's waving like, yo, I'm over here. All right, let's get that thing a little darker. These are just to get the preliminary, and I'll have lessons in the future that I've been planning and working on, different hand models, different shapes and angles, and how the hand can be pointing, grabbing, waving, all the different, not all, but a variety of them. Okay, there's the top of the toilet paper there. All right, let's get a little bit more over here. That's looking good. Now let's work on his little cape. All right, as his cape, as we can see, it's not actually a cape. It's actually the roll of the toilet paper. I'm just playing up with that being rolled down. And also at the very end, I did a little tweaking of this character in Photoshop. So there's actually two versions, not just a cleanup version, but also another version as well. All right, there you go. Creating that back right there. That's looking good. And then just shading his little legs there a little bit darker, just to give some emphasizing the difference between the cape and his feet. Okay, that's looking good. A little bit more rounded. And again, this is just when I'm playing around. I might be doing something in my head and thinking at the same time as I'm drawing. All right, so I think we're done. So let's sign and date, and stay tuned for the two different ones. Okay, there's the first one. That's the rough one that we just did right now. And drum roll. Brrr, and there he is. I just erased the eyes and made it a mask marauder. So he's a super TP with his little disguise. And there's the cleanup version. All right. Thanks for watching this video and have a great day. Our website, jmg-studio.biz. If you like this lesson, you'll find others like this on our site. We even have a store that has our drawing books and many other goodies. Thanks for the support.